Hi everybody, hope you're doing great. Today I'll be reviewing 3 dessert flavors from Snack Shack. Snack Shack is a 70BG, 30PG dessert e-liquid line. They are available in 60 milliliter bottles in 0, 3, and 6 milligrams of nicotine. Funnel cake is light and fluffy fried dough, heavily dusted with powdered sugar. This is my favorite flavor of the review. For the smell, I get sugary, creamy notes. The inhale is a pastry vanilla cake type flavor with powdered sugar on the exhale. Cotton candy is the classic combo of sweet pink strawberry and juicy blue watermelon. The smell is predominant notes of sweet strawberry. For the inhale, I get subtle sweet strawberry with strong tart watermelon notes on the exhale. Jolly Pop is delicious fruity hard candies swirled together to make one amazing sugary lollipop. The smell is notes of tart strawberry candy. I get light sweet strawberry for the inhale, with a tart blue raspberry lingering on the exhale. Snack Shack is a delicious line. The flavors are very sweet and strong. Funnel cake tastes just like the real thing. Excellent sweet pastry notes. Cotton candy is a great blend of sugary fruit. And Jolly Pop is a nice sweet tart candy treat. These flavors were excellent, with strong notes and great vapor. The Snack Shack line currently runs in the $15 range per 60 milliliter bottle. If you'd like to try out the line for yourself, just click on the info link in the description box below this video. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and connect with me on my social sites. Have an excellent day, and may the vape be with you.